name is Lydia and I'm 17 years old. I'm from Congo. I first started taking singing seriously at the age of 13. That's when I started singing in the choir at church. I stand out because I've got what it takes, I believe in myself, and I know I'm quite different.
Different maybe, but will you be the odd one out? Which four of these is the odd one out? Is it Lydia? Former Premier League football star Luau Luau? 7'2" basketball player Dikembe Mutombo? Or is it the tropical drink Umbongo? Guess now. The answer, of course, is the tropical drink Umbongo, because the other three are from the Congo, whilst Umbongo is not from the Congo, but drunk in the Congo.
I am from the Congo, and I'd just like to clarify that no one drinks Umbongo in the middle of the Congo.
You must be mistaken, Lydia, because the advert clearly states.
I don't think anyone knows what a bongo is in the Congo.
Rubbish! They do it in the middle of the Congo.
Way down deep in the middle of the Congo.
Nowhere in the Congo. That's a fact.
You mean it's not 100% accurate when the advert says...
When it comes to son of fun and goodness in the jungle, they up a feather.
Sunny funny one. They call it Umbongo. Absolutely bonkers.
Umbongo!
Hi, how are you doing? What's your name?
Lydia.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Have you had any experience performing?
Not with a lot of people like this, no.
Okay. So you must be nervous.
Very.
Okay. Well, if you can win over this lot, you're doing well.
Okay.
Very tough audience. Okay, what are you going to sing?
Saving All My Love by
you?
Whitney Houston.
Great.
Thank you.
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you.
Lydia, you're 17 years old and you're singing Whitney, and it just seemed effortless.
God, yeah, you took me by surprise, I've got to say. You said you were really nervous, but you'd have never have told from that vocal. I would have loved to have seen you do something just a little bit younger and cooler, but I can't fault you on your vocal. I loved it.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
I think you are really, really talented, Lydia. Fantastic. Love it. Yeah, what you've got to do is, I'd love you to see this back, because you've got to learn to have that confidence that you look happy and perform in front of an audience. It was a little bit insular there.
We're going to vote, see if you get through.
OK. Louis, yes or no?
Absolutely yes.
Oh, my God.
Thank you, Lydia.
Yes.
Thank you.
Definitely a yes from me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lydia, it's a full house. You're through to the next round. Off you go.
So Lydia's through to boot camp, although she seems to be in a bit of a hurry to get somewhere else first.
Excuse me, do you sell any Umbongo?
No, but I hear they drink it in the Congo.
Why do everyone think they drink it in the Congo? I'm from the Congo and we don't drink it down there. All right? Thank you. Do you sell any Umbongos?
No, I'm afraid not, but I've heard they drink it in the Congo.
No, they do not. All right? Because I'm from the Congo and we don't drink it down there. Excuse me, do you see any Umbongo here?
No, but I hear they drink it in the Congo.
Oh, my God. Excuse me, do you sell any Umbongo?
No, sorry, we don't sell it in Congo, but I heard they sell it in Congo.
No, they don't sell it in the Congo. Everyone thinks that. That's absolutely bonkers. God. It's been a really great day. I'm very happy, but unfortunately I'm very sad because I never got to find any Umbongo. But anyway, I've got through to boot camp, so I can't complain. Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you know where they sell an Umbongo?
No, but I hear they drink it in the Congo. Congo.
No, they don't. That's a lie. I'm from the Congo and no one drinks it down there.
Are you sure?
God.
Look, they dropped it in the Congo.